one of the most popular apps for shopping affordable clothing. I've seen a lot of fellow creators, a lot of friends of mine who are shopping from Meesho, and I was like, let's just give it a try, put it to test with you all. So today I'm going to show you guys 5 kurtis under rupees 500. Well, I love the synchronization here. And yeah, let's just get into it. We'll put them to test, see if they are worth it or not. And let's begin. So the first kurti is the one that I'm actually wearing. It's a short black kurti. And you know what? These designs are very popular these days. Sort of like chikankari detailing. I remember there was a brand on Shark Tank which was House of Chikankari, and they are selling this exact same design for a lot of money. Of course, quality matters, but again, I feel like it's a good option. I really like it. It has sort of like detailing all over it. It is available in a lot of colors. You can choose whatever you want. Now, the most important part is, yes, it does have lining, which is quite shocking. A lot of times, पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगा था कि इसमें कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो होगा, but no, there is no such problem. There is lining available. At the same point of time, the quality is very good, like very good. Not judge an item by its price. It actually looks pretty good. I feel like for going to office, for going to college, for a casual day out on an everyday basis, you can definitely purchase this. And now when I tell you the price, guess what's the price? It's only for rupees 257. Yes, it's only for rupees 257. And I got it in the smallest size, which is S. It was a little loose, but if you'll tie this thread right here, then it will fit you perfectly. Alright you all, this is outfit number 2, I mean kurti number 2. I love it. It's sort of like a pink kurti and it is available in 2 colors, pink and blue. I purchased the pink one. You will get only the kurti and not the pants. Also, this is in cotton material and iska print is lehariya. I love it a lot. So cute. It's so beautiful. One thing which I love about it is that it's so comfy. मतलब इसकी stitching बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से की गई है. I have purchased the size S and it fits me perfectly. Love the pattern. Like it just pops out. I love the color. I love everything about it. It is the same as the picture, which is laudable because it's only for around 192 rupees. Like, isn't it crazy? Outfit number 3 is this one. Now, I actually ordered it in dark blue color, as you can see, but I have received it in a sea green color, so please do keep note of that. The print is same and I actually really like it. I love this color even more. This is a color that shows up so well with white. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with plazo pants as I'm wearing here. And it looks so casual, comfy yet elegant. And best part about all of these clothes is that इनकी quality बिल्कुल भी cheap नहीं है, which is something that I thought before ordering. But इनकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. It's not bad. It's quite decent. And I ordered it in the size S and it fits me perfectly. And this is for rupees 267, which is crazy because it's so good. And at the same point of time, इसकी length बहुत अच्छी दी हुई है. It stops at the right point and at the same point of time, ये ना ज़्यादा short है और ना ज़्यादा long है, which is something that I really like. This is kurti number 4. It almost looks like a top. This is so cute. I almost want to twirl around it throughout the day. It's for 365. And this is what it looks like. I love this detailing at the end. It looks so cute and makes it so different. And at the same point of time, I feel like if you want to bring out sort of like an Indo-Western vibe, when you don't want to wear a kurti but want to wear something ethnic, I feel like this is the best option to invest in. Let me know what you think and let's move to number 5. Alright, so it's time for the 5th and the last one. I was so happy when I ordered it because इसका photo में proper floor length तक था. So I thought it will be something different. But clearly floor length नहीं है. So I'm so sad about that because that's the main reason why I purchased this in the first place. So I'm a little heartbroken, but it looks good. It doesn't look bad. ऐसे भी अच्छा लग रहा है. I really like these kind of kurtis that have sort of like a slit and it's so fun. It looks so pretty. I love the print, I love the color. It looks so different. It's giving Jaipur vibes and I'm living for it. When I tell you the price, you will definitely forgive this part. So basically it's for 199 only. So yeah, that was everything for today's video. To be very honest, if I had to give you guys a Meesho review feedback, I feel like it's good. I mean, it's not that bad for the price that you're paying for the products. They're actually coming quite good, and it almost feels like it's sort of like a steal deal almost. कि आपको देखना पड़ेगा कुछ पीसेस ऐसे हैं that literally have such good quality, whereas some pieces here and there थोड़ा सा आपको जैसे cut issues हो सकते हैं, फोटो से थोड़ा different color आ सकता है, so that you have to manage. But otherwise I feel like it's a good platform in case you want to buy clothes that are affordable at the same point of time that look good. So I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Also the app has return option, so in case you feel like something isn't right or you don't like it, you can always choose to return it. And also, which was your favorite kurti, I will drop the link to all of these pieces in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out and shop for yourself in case you want to. And I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Goodbye.